In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize customer data effectively in HubSpot CRM. We'll explore the powerful tools within HubSpot to help you categorize and access your information with ease, focusing specifically on properties, lists, and views. Understanding how to effectively manage these elements can greatly enhance your CRM experience by tailoring it to your business needs. Let's begin by understanding the HubSpot data model. HubSpot organizes data around four primary objects. Contacts represent individual people you interact with, while companies are the organizations linked with those contacts. Deals highlight sales opportunities connected to specific contacts and companies, and tickets, on the other hand, pertain to customer service requests or support-related issues. Knowing how these objects work together forms the foundation of using HubSpot effectively. Next, let's delve into leveraging properties to better manage your data. One of the greatest strengths of HubSpot is its ability to customize properties. You can add fields that are specific to your business needs. For instance, if you're in real estate, you might want to add fields like property type or location preference to your contact records. This way, you'll capture all the data points that are vital to your business. Moreover, you can also customize default properties for contacts, companies, deals, and tickets, making the CRM even more relevant to how you operate. With a solid grasp of properties, let's move on to creating lists. Lists in HubSpot are a powerful way to segment your contacts or companies based on specific criteria. You can create lists by industry, job title, or even the last interaction date, tailoring them to suit your strategies. When setting up lists, you'll be choosing between active lists, which automatically update based on your set criteria, and static lists, which require manual updating. Moreover, custom lists allow you to target particular segments of your audience with greater precision. Now, let's discuss establishing views. Personalized views in HubSpot allow you to set up what's most relevant for you in contact, company, or deal records. You can rearrange and add columns in these views to ensure that the information displayed is what's most important to you. Once you have these views set up, don't forget to save them for easy access and reuse, ensuring that you always have the most relevant insights at your fingertips. Managing data in HubSpot is crucial to maintain accuracy and efficiency. Regular data cleaning and validation are essential for data accuracy. Importing from other sources like spreadsheets should be done carefully to ensure proper field mapping. Balance access by making data available to your team while implementing data governance policies, and always prioritize the security and privacy of your customer information. As a final tip, leverage HubSpot as your central hub for customer data management. Use dashboards to visualize key metrics, giving you deeper insights into your customer data. Lastly, document your data policies to establish clear governance, ensuring consistency with your data handling practices. By following these steps, you can ensure that your CRM is working at its highest potential, providing valuable insights and efficiency to your business operations.